Hello YouTubers. So today we are going to be doing a DIY sign from Joann Fabrics. This was actually a tombstone and I decided to change it and make it more into a fall sign. So we're going to do a decoupage napkin that came from Krogers here in Columbus, Ohio. So that way we could make the background more fall traditional. It has some sunflowers in it. Has a black and white check bow, which is really super cute. So let's get started and do our decoupage, and then we're going to fill in the rest with some paint. I'm hoping. So let's get started. And oh my gosh, Coco had to get up on the table today and help me do some decoupage. It was just the most funniest thing. She wanted to be held, and which is interesting because she normally doesn't want to get up on the table, but today she does. So I just want to let you guys know that's what she's doing at the moment, trying to help me, I guess. So let me get back to doing the project. So I got to the Cricut, and I found this design from another YouTube creator named Whiskey Whitney, and I loved it. So I decided, since I've already had it downloaded, because I do follow her as well, and I am subscribed to her, I really love the fresh pumpkins. So I got out my Cricut, and I cut it all out, put it on, and it looks amazing. I am very pleased with this, and thank you very much, Whitney, for it. So I am going to link her as inspiration where I got it from. So in case you guys want to go to her channel and see some of the stuff she has a lot of creative content. I get a lot of inspiration from her. So I would head over to her channel and take a look at everything she has. She is amazing. Thank you very much, Whitney. I really appreciate it. And everyone have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.